Welcome. Today, we're diving into a quick and easy guide on how to edit your bio on Facebook. Whether you're updating it for the first time or just refreshing it, these simple steps will help you personalize your profile in no time. Let's get started. First, open the Facebook app on your mobile device. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once the app is open, head straight to your profile by tapping your profile picture, or navigating to the menu and selecting Profile. This is where all the magic happens. Next, look for the Edit Profile button on your profile page. Tap it to access the customization options for your profile. Scroll down until you find the section labeled Bio. This is where you can introduce yourself, share a fun fact, or highlight something important about you. Once you've located the Bio section, tap on it. You'll see an option to edit your bio. Tap Edit Bio to proceed. Now, type in your new bio text. Whether it's a quote that inspires you, a brief summary of who you are, or something quirky that makes people smile, this is your space to shine. After entering your new bio, double-check everything to ensure it's just how you want it. Then tap Save to finalize the changes. Congratulations! Your updated bio is now live and visible on your profile. Editing your Facebook bio is a great way to keep your profile fresh and engaging. It's quick, simple, and lets you show off a bit of personality to friends and connections. So go ahead, make those updates today.